What's up, guys? And in this video, uh, what's up, guys? And in this video, we will be playing Animal Hospital with my friend, Leo. I don't know why his name is that. That is not his real name, but you get it. Just to let you know, if you don't hear me, it's the game being too loud. Because sometimes the game like blocks out my voice, so I'll only be talking when the game is quiet. We were also gonna make a Murder Mystery 2 video, but we did it on FaceTime, and we thought it would just it would put both of our voices completely silent. So we're never doing that again. I'm using the secretary. I'm using the secretary class right now, so I'll be checking in the patients, and he's the nurse, so he does nurse things, I guess. Okay, we have to fix the camera that's broken, because there's a broken camera somewhere. Oh, right there. Fix it. Okay, never mind, he fixed it. Okay, so I was AFK for a second. Guess I'll just help this guy. The first two people are never anomalies, so he should be fine. I think. Oh wait, I think I'll just get the coffee first. Oh wait, we can. Okay, guys, so don't judge us, but we're gonna buy the extra check-in window first when we get enough money. Wait, let me check the cameras to see if they're an anomaly. Okay, normal. I think. Oh, look who's here. Barney Barnster, the guy that nobody likes. This ain't a Starbucks, buddy. Get out of here. Alright, guys, so, if anyone's watching this and you want to friend me, here's my username. The Big J. Right here. That's my username. And I have voice chat, so you could talk to me. So make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. So, yeah. We might be doing a giveaway, so if you want to enter, comment your username, subscribe, and then you'll be entered for a Robux giveaway. Because my friend here, he has Roblox Plus, and he can give you some Robux. Also, someone unsubscribed me. I'm gonna find you. I'm joking. I can't really do that, but just, I don't know what I did, but can you subscribe again? I might also do a live stream, but it won't be that long. I don't know if I can do a live stream. I think you need like 500 subscribers to do one first, so subscribe so I can do my first live stream. Oh, looks like there's a surgery. I'll help him with this. That was close. By the way, guys, if you're wondering how we're on shift 1 and everything's unlocked already, it's because they added a new skip tutorial feature, and it's really useful. Get out! That last mad face emoji at the end was unnecessary. Alright, guys, so I'm not gonna do that many shifts because wait, hold on. Alright, so I'm not gonna what just happened? I'm not gonna do that many shifts because YouTube takes like, for me, YouTube takes like 3 hours just to post one video. Just to post an 8-hour video. That's what happened when I collabed with my cousin when we played slap battles. So, yeah. I might go to like shift 4 and then I'll stop recording. So now I'll play the actual game. Sorry that I was yapping so much. Is it normal? Nope, normal, I think. Wait a minute. Oh, okay. Guys, so if you hear someone in the background, it's just, I don't know, someone. So if I'm just gonna keep going AFK at random times, to be honest. Me and my friend might do a collab video with her, make a collab plushie video, because we're gonna see each other in real life. I know him from school. He's not like 24 or anything. He's in the same grade as me. So nobody say anything. So guys, the prize for the giveaway is 500 Robux. Well, depends. If I get 1 subscriber from this video, it'll be 1,000 Robux. But if I don't get any subscribers from this video, just 500. And if nobody enters, nobody gets, if nobody enters, then there's nobody to give the Robux to, so I'll just get it, I guess. So, yeah. Why is there still the 45 death thing when there's no one in the surgery room? This dude probably had like a stomach ache and then he has bandages on his head. That's crazy. It's crazy. So guys, so next video, it'll be next video. It might be a video just me, or it could be a collab. But it's definitely gonna be a Forsaken video. I was planning on making a Dandy's World video, but now that there's drama, oof, no, never. I might make a Dandy's World Plus video, which is better, and it's also not made by Quill. But guys, if you play Dandy's World Plus, do not buy anything from it because all the money goes to Blush Crunch Studios, and that means you're supporting Quill. So if you don't want to support Quill, don't buy anything. But you can still play it. You can still play Dandy's World Plus. Everything is free anyway. Well, the OC characters that they put in the games, you might need to actually grind or just search up some codes so you can get more Iker and buy the OCs. So, but most of the actual stuff in Dandy's World, like the normal Dandy's World, all of it is free. You even get Dandy and Dio as characters, but they're kind of trash. I tried. There's no headbanger yet, so I guess that's good. Okay guys, so I think I'm gonna end the video here. Cause I don't really, I can't make videos that long, like I said. So I'll just stop the video here. And check out my friend's channel. His name is Leo on his channel name, I think, but it's also Alexander B on the handle, so you could search that up, I guess, or just check my first video. Check the comments. You'll see him in there. Alright, so see you guys in the next video. Don't forget the giveaway. Goodbye.